have a new gel memory foam pillow to look at today. It's from SAVE&SOFT. Stay tuned to find out more. This SAVE&SOFT gel memory foam pillow is shaped to provide cervical support. This will help people that suffer from neck and back pain, and the proper pillow choice can help relieve all that pain. It comes in a very handy carrying case, so it would make a great gift. So let's take it out. Alright, so this is the pillow. This is 19 by 11 in size. So this is great for most sleepers, including kids. This is somewhat smaller than your standard pillow, so this would be great for traveling or if you need something for on the go. The cover here is hypoallergenic, which is great for those who are sensitive to certain materials, or even if it's allergy season, this will help out. This is very flexible, yet it provides very good support. There is cooling gel, if you can see, it's right behind this cover here. Actually, let me see if I can take it off. Yes, here we go. All right. So here you can see the cooling gel beneath the pillow, yet this cover right here is very, very soft. This is also what makes it just so nice and comfortable for at night. If you haven't tried a gel pillow yet, you should, because this is a great feature and it helps prevent the heat retention that can cause you to sweat or feel hot. I know I love these features on pillows because I really like it when it's cold at night, and when I'm hot, I twist and turn all night and don't get a good sleep. So I always make sure I get a pillow with gel in it so that it helps me cool down. But as you can see, I put my hands in and it conforms to what I'm asking it to do. Very, very comfortable. It's all very nice and soft in general. Alright, so this cool pillow is latex free and comes with a bamboo fiber case infused with aloe vera, which is this one right here. It's probably why it's so soft and smooth when you put it on your face. This case, I was able to take it off. It is zippered on, so you can easily throw it into the washer if you stain it or something gets on it. This is designed with the perfect balance between comfort and firmness. It's soft enough to let your head sink down, yet firm enough to keep it elevated. Which is great because I've had a couple pillows where it's just so soft I fall through and I don't get any support, and I tend to wake up with back pain, maybe even neck and shoulder pain the next day. But this one is so nice and just really soft and cool, and I like it a lot. The chiropractic pillow keeps your sleeping posture correct, no matter if you're on your side, stomach, or you're a back sleeper, which is great because there are some nights where you sleep on any part of your body because you can't pick a side or it's way too hot. This is going to help it all out. This is a great, great malleable pillow. This is a very handy pillow, which would be good for any type of traveling you would do, since it is a little bit smaller than the rest of your pillows, but that doesn't mean that it does anything less than a good chiropractic pillow. As you can tell, I'm just pushing in and it forms to my hands, and it feels really, really soft, especially when you're on the gel. The gel is like my favorite part of this pillow. Now this case is great because you zip it up, you can put the pillow in, you can take it off, you can wash it. It's so soft, it's almost like velvet. I know it does have aloe vera in it to help soothe your skin and provide a great comfortable feel along with your sleep. So You can see how the pillow curves to your body and provides your back and neck with a straight, comfortable position while you sleep. It's bigger up here, smaller down there, and this is what's going to straighten out your posture and provide a nice, easy sleep. Now this case that it comes with is very, very handy, especially if you are on the go or want to give this as a gift. It's already sealed up, it is safe from elements, and this is a great way to just keep this along with you. If you're the type of person that likes to use more pillows, especially between their legs or anything, this would be a great pillow because you are able to conform it to your desired shape. And this cooling technique is definitely going to keep your body very cool and comfortable. All right, so that is all we have today for the SAVE&SOFT Gel Memory Foam Pillow. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.